Do you find yourself tugging on power cables? Do you have to resort to butane torches whenever you're working on a job site? Or is it difficult to find a place to plug your iron in? Well, all that'll be in your past when you switch to the Dewalt battery to TS-100 converter. Hey guys, Chris Ray here. Today I want to show you my new product, the Dewalt battery to TS-100 converter. Now, as many of you are aware, Dewalt batteries don't have any internal regulating circuitry. What this means is you can potentially over-discharge a Dewalt battery, potentially damaging it permanently. Now what this circuit does is it monitors the voltage of your battery and it cuts it off before it gets to a dangerous level. Along with that, it also provides a USB connection to charge your smartphone or tablet or any other electronic device as you're soldering. Now with this product, you have a power out for your soldering iron as well as a USB port to charge up your phone or tablet or any other electronic device as you're working. All you have to do is slide it right onto your battery and you're ready to go. Flip the power switch and you'll have up to an hour of continuous soldering use. This product comes as a kit. You get the circuit board along with all the through-hole parts that you need to make this yourself. It even comes with the case, all 3D printed and ready to go. Once you have this kit, all you need is your soldering iron and any 20-volt max Dewalt battery. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you want to buy one, there'll be a link in the description. Thanks for watching.